Hi, I'm Dan, the CTO of Inngest, and today I'm excited to introduce Workflow Kit, a full-stack SDK to build Zapier-like automation functionality within your products in record time. Now, we started Inngest in 2022 to remove all the complexity associated with building back-end workflows, and since then, we run millions of workflows daily, serving thousands of developers and companies such as Resend, SoundCloud, and Gitbook. And in this journey, we realized that many of our customers built workflows configurable by their users, which required a lot of repetitive development work. On the back end, developers need to build their own state machine that can link workflow steps together, define reusable actions, create APIs, and implement customizable triggers. In short, build their own Workflow SDK. And on the front end, building a workflow editor UI requires a ton of custom components and interactions, including shared logic with the backend. Now, our open source Workflow SDK skips all of this development time by providing a full stack SDK to enable developers to define reusable actions on the backend and drop in a workflow editor with pre-built React components on the front end. The workflows are then executed reliably by Inngest. Let's see it in action with a demo. Okay, here's a blog CMS that we built with Workflow Kit. Let's check out our automations. We have two automations here that are set up triggered by a couple actions. One, when a blog post is moved to review, and two, when a blog post is published. Let's look at the first one. So, alright, here's our editor UI provided by Workflow Kit. We'll start by adding a couple actions that run each time a blog post is moved to review. First, we'll add a table of contents that's generated by GPT-4. And next, we will have OpenAI perform a grammar review for our post. And lastly, we will apply these changes. So let's save our automation. Now we can see that our workflow is saved and preview our steps. Let's check out the blog post. Here's a blog post that's ready for review. Now, let's send it. So what's happening on the back end is this change triggers the workflow and all the actions that were predefined using Workflow Kit. The workflow that we just designed on the front end was serialized and is now read by the back end and executed. So behind the scenes, we can see that our workflow is executed by Inngest. Here in the Inngest dev server, we can see that the workflow is executed including each step that we decided to execute. Inngest takes care of this for you. So that's Workflow Kit. It's open source and designed to help you and your team build Zapier-like automation experiences for your users in record time. Check out the docs and give it a try today.